Welcome to Acano. Acano unites previously incompatible technologies, voice, video, and web in a co-space. And a co-space is a radically different virtual meeting environment. Today we're going to demonstrate how we do that. So let me tee things up. This is a typical enterprise environment. With that being said, we have your standards video endpoint. This can be a Polycom, Tandberg, Cisco, Lifesize, you name it. What I'm on today is the co-space PC client. To my right, you also have Lync 2010 or 2013. Over here, you have a MacBook Air that doesn't have a client, that happens to be using a web browser. And to the right of it, you have my colleague Gary, who happens to be on a mobile user connected on the iPhone and the iPad. Now up here on the screen, you're looking at the co-space PC client. Down the left-hand side, you see a number of co-spaces that I happen to be a member of or have created myself. And in the co-space, we identify how many participants are active with the number. So at the top here, you see that 4 are in this particular co-space, and in our engineering updates, there are 2. You also see across the top here, all of the participants who have been invited to that co-space. And those that are currently active in the co-space are highlighted in blue. And below that, we have persistent chat.
Now, persistent chat is like a board where I can post information. If I'm running late and I'm logged into the Acano client from my mobile device, I can say, hey, please make sure you discuss this. I can post documentation that you might want to discuss with that client during the presentation. All the members of the co-space can have that interaction with the persistent chat.
So let's pretend for a moment that we're working with a high net worth individual, and I need to join a meeting in which I have several colleagues already in the co-space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the co-space that they are currently in. And to do that, I'm going to click on the green Connect button. Now when I do, I'm automatically brought into the call. Pretty simple. Now, one thing that I need to do is reach out to a colleague who happens to be running late to this meeting. They're not here, but I want to invite them. So to invite this person, I just go to Add a Participant, and because that colleague is already an employee of Acano, all I need to do, based on Active Directory integration, is begin typing Gary's name, choose Gary, and invite him into the call. And when I do, it's going to ring on whatever device he happens to be logged in, giving him the option to decide how to interact with this particular co-space.
So all of the devices that are associated to me are ringing. I choose to answer on my iPhone because I'm not video ready. And now I am brought into the conference. However, now I might find a bit of private space or some Wi-Fi. I can also use the LTE network. I can join the conference via my video, and I'm brought into the co-space straight away. What's important to note is I can leave the audio in here, which is what I have done right now. That ability to split the audio is truly unique because it allows me in a more public environment that might be a little bit too noisy to be able to really interact with it. But then when I've got a little bit more space or my headset is plugged in, I can throw the audio over here very seamlessly.
So that was easy. We were able to bring folks inside the organization into a co-space, but what happens when we want to bring someone outside the organization, that B2B, that B2C type environment? So what I've been able to do from the co-space is send an email to Rick, our high net worth individual, who has received that email and he'll now log into the call.
So Rick clicks on the link in the email that can be skinned anyway, and it brings into a splash page, which again can be branded in any way you want. And we can capture any amount of information we want. Let's keep it simple. And so Rick enters the call. It's going to say, oh, Rick, do you mind sharing video? And so you say allow, and then you're going to hit the green button and enter into the co-space with you. And now a completely unfederated to us, separate person is joining our co-space.
So the last feature of our product is the ability to move a call from a PC to a standard video endpoint. The reason why this is important is a lot of people have now joined, and it's not really comfortable to be able to watch this off the laptop. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to connect to an external device. I can click on the button here, I can highlight the Connect Device tab, and under that tab are a series of different devices that I can throw the call to. So I'm going to choose the EX90 to my right, and when I click Connect, the call will seamlessly move from the PC client over to the EX90. Now what's nice about this is that this EX90 has its own SIP URI. However, if you notice on the participant list, that SIP URI is not represented. I have taken the identity of this device, and it is me, the co-space user, in the call on this standards endpoint. I also am still logged into the client on the PC to provide call control. So what I can do is I can actually change the layout to whatever best suits me without affecting any of the other devices that you see here. So if I happen to like speaker only, I can choose speaker only. If I happen to like the telepresence view, I can do that as well.
So I could do exactly the same. His views didn't change as he changed them, but if I want to select perhaps the Celebrity Squares view, I have the same control here on my mobile device, as does the person on their WebRTC client, as does the Lync user. Really adding flexibility how I want to interact with the video.
I can also share content. This is a great feature because no longer are you confined to having to worry about VGA, DVI, HDMI cables. I can do that directly from the application itself. So if I choose the Share Application tab, I can then click on whatever's active on my desktop. In this case, it happens to be a PowerPoint presentation, and I can share that content to all of the devices in the call.
What's really nice is that I get to interact with the content any way I want to. I can zoom in on something that might be a little bit more difficult to see. I can interact with it independently. And even if I do have the content in a video unit at the end of a very long room, I can't see it, it's too far away from me. This ability to be able to zoom in with it really is truly unique.
So what you've seen here, to sum things up, are CoSpaces, a radically different virtual meeting environment that unites previously incompatible technologies, voice, video, web, on one platform across a multitude of devices. Welcome to Acano.